Hi, my name's Corey Elizabeth, and I'm the Corporate Brand Specialist here at Beverly Hills. Today, I want to take the opportunity to talk to you guys about our exclusive J Platinum line. This product line is inspired by the luxury lifestyle of Beverly Hills and designed to meet the needs of that modern, sophisticated Beverly Hills woman. She is a woman who knows what she wants to feel like, and most importantly, knows what she wants to look like. So we have created this line to appeal to that aesthetic value on the outside, as well as showcase the performance and the high quality ingredients on the inside of these bottles. So as you can see, it has the timeless packaging with the influences of the high contrast black and white, which really just inspires a feeling of peace and power and completion overall by creating that balance between the high gloss black bottles and the soft touch white boxes. So no matter where this product is on the shelves of your salon, in your consumer clients' bathrooms, it's gonna look great no matter where it is, much like that Beverly Hills woman. It also has the most superior ingredients in this product line because it incorporates things like hydrolyzed ingredients, meaning those ingredients have been shrunken down to their smallest form, making sure that we can create the most maximum absorption of those products. So that's really awesome. Among several high-end ingredients, these product lines also contain a lot of hydrolyzed silk protein, which has the ability to hold 10,000 times its weight in moisture. So just having that aspect in there, I think, is really powerful for this line because it's all about hydration and it's all about having hair as a canvas. So when we're using our J Platinum lines, it's important to remember that because of that treatment aspect in all of our products, you want to use them in layers so that these products can all do exactly what they've been designed to do in not only styling your hair, but also treating, nourishing, and moisturizing your hair at the same time, okay? So the first category we have in J Platinum is our maintenance category. So those are going to be containing our shampoos and our conditioners. So the first shampoo and conditioner set we have is our Hydrate shampoo and conditioner. The Hydrate shampoo is designed to give you gentle cleansing, but also deep hydration at the same time. So it's infused with things like aloe vera and coconut and cucumber and green tea, but it's also balanced with that hydrolyzed wheat protein in there and some provitamin B5 to make sure that you're getting that moisture and protein balance to actually nourish your hair, restore the moisture, restore the strength, add shine, and increase your manageability. So our Hydrate shampoo is sulfate free, so it will protect your color. So that's always great to know. When you're using the Hydrate shampoo for best results, you want to use it with our Hydrate conditioner, and that's this duo right here behind me. The Hydrate conditioner is an amazing conditioner because it offers really deep hydration to the hair. It is balanced with the hydrolyzed silk protein and the hydrolyzed wheat protein, as well as some provitamin B5 to really make sure that your hair is in the best capability that it possibly could be in. It's conditioned, it's strong, it's shiny, it's manageable, and overall, this just creates that amazing hair canvas that we all want. It has a really luxurious lather to it, it smells amazing, and the conditioner itself is also very, very soft. So this is a really great color safe product for all hair types. Next, we have our volume shampoo and conditioner. This is inspired by the Hydrate shampoo and conditioner to have the similar qualities of nourishing and repairing and moisturizing, but it's just designed to have a little bit lighter of a formula, so it makes it more ideal for people with that fine, limp hair textures that need a little oomph to them. So our volume shampoo is designed to gently cleanse and restore strength, restore moisture, and also volumize your hair. So it's infused with hydrolyzed silk protein for the moisture, coconut, and then provitamin B to offer that nice plumping quality to it, okay? So this is also a sulfate-free product, so it is going to protect your color. For best results, we recommend that you use it with our volume conditioner, which our volume conditioner is infused with the hydrolyzed silk protein and the provitamin B5. and is just designed to be a little bit lighter of a formula to offer you that weightless moisture and really just volumize and nourish your hair at the same time. So whether you're using our Hydrate shampoo and conditioner or our Volume shampoo and conditioner, you can ensure that your hair is going to be nicely protein and moisture balanced for its best condition, but it's also going to have the applicable moisture weight for your hair type. Both of those products are sulfate and paraben free, and they are designed to nourish, repair, and help you style your hair while protecting your color. Okay, so the next category we have is our treatment category. Our treatment category is designed to nourish, repair, and revive all hair types. So regardless of what the issue is, we have the solution in our treatment products. The first one is going to be our nourishing mask. So our nourishing mask is a really powerful product. It is infused with several botanicals that are specifically designed to nourish your hair and scalp, which is going to encourage new hair growth, encourage healthy hair growth. It's also designed to stimulate your follicles and stimulate your skin cells, which are going to promote regeneration and boost collagen and do all of those amazing things. So I think an important factor about our nourishing mask is it also is infused with vitamin C, which vitamin C is commonly considered to be Botox for your hair. And I know when we think about our hair, we don't often think of it as an extension of our skin, but our hair is an extension of our skin. And so things like collagen, cell regeneration, anti-aging, those are all amazing factors that we should also be considering with our hair. And it's just really cool because the nourishing mask takes all of those factors into consideration and works to repair the damage that you've done over time and just help you reboost and regenerate the best possible hair that you possibly can. This product is also infused with olive, so it does provide some UV protection in your hair and just giving you that sunscreen, the repair from that thermal damage, color damage, chemical damage, whatever it may be. Nourishing mask is an excellent in-salon treatment and can be used in the same day as color. So the next product that we have is one of my favorite products in our treatment line. It's our Repair treatment oil. So this is a really cool product. It comes in this beautiful box, and then it has 4 little vials inside. And each vial you can use on approximately 1 to 2 heads of hair, maybe more if it's shorter or finer. And this works as a really great take-home treatment or an in-salon treatment paired with your styling services or hair cutting services. Because of its heavy oil quality, we don't recommend it being done in the same day as color. But it is, like I said, great for that take-home aspect. One of the reasons that it is good for take-home is because it's incorporated with, or infused with, coconut and shea and vitamin E, but also it has that olive again in it. And so olive is a really amazing UV protector or, sunscreen for your hair. So this is a really great product to send home with all of your clients for just really their daily lives. And then also, of course, if they're going into like the beach water or pool water a lot, this is going to protect their hair from all of that environmental damage. And also it's going to protect their hair from like thermal damage and kind of turn back the clock of styling. So the Repair vials are really great to take home with your clients and just add that heavy moisturization to your hair while also just like nourishing it in a soft way. So it's going to encourage new growth, it's going to enhance the vitality, it's really just going to bring your hair back to life from a hydration perspective. So our Repair is a really great product. And to finish up all of these treatments and to also essentially start off every single client styling process, we have our Revive coconut oil. So our Revive coconut oil is basically a product that you should use to complete any of your treatments and also to start off the styling portion of your day. So straight out of the shower, towel dried hair, you can put this Revive coconut oil root through end. It is a micromolecular base, so it's not going to be heavy or thick or greasy in your hair. And it's also cosmetic grade, so you don't have to worry about getting any buildup on your scalp or just getting that oily feel from it in general. It is infused with argan oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil to be really nourishing, hydrating. It's also going to give you some shine, it's going to increase the vitality, and it's also going to restore all of your moisture and provide some heat protection too. So like I said, that is an amazing prep product for pretty much all hair types. The next product that's going to start off our styling and finishing category for Platinum is going to be our J Platinum 5-in-1. So our J Platinum 5-in-1 comes in the same bottle type as our Revive coconut oil, and they really work together to make an awesome grooming combo. So I like to put the Revive oil on first and then follow up with the 5-in-1, because the 5-in-1 is going to give us just like a little bit more moisture. It's going to give us a little bit more control. It doesn't have any hold to it, but it is designed to meet the needs of the 5 things that we're all thinking about when we're styling our hair, which is going to be shine, moisture, frizz, strength, and then of course manageability and heat protection. So those are just the things that this product is specifically designed to do. Protect your hair, it's designed to help you style, it's designed to really just add a bunch of moisture and hydration to your hair. So the 5-in-1 is a really great product to start off with your prepping for any styling. So when we try to take our styling to the next level and we need more volume or maybe a little bit more hold, a great product to reach for is our Perfect Body. So our Perfect Body is designed for limp hair types, fine hair types. It has a hold factor of about a 2, so it's not going to give you anything that's sticky or tacky or tangly when you're trying to build that volume. It's just going to give you that nice fluffy hair to it. So the Perfect Body is infused with coconut, hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed silk protein, and of course provitamin B5 to not only help you styling your hair and creating that beautiful body, but also to work as a treatment for your hair as well. So that's kind of the ongoing theme of all of our J Platinum products, that they're going to not only style, but also treat your hair as well. So great combination. If you are looking for some volume and you need a little more control, the mousse is going to be a great product for you because it is designed to give you moisture, it's designed to give you hydration, but it does have a hold factor of a 2, so it's going to give you a little bit more control and long-lasting style support throughout the day. The mousse actually is infused with aloe vera, argan, castor oil, marshmallow root, and provitamin B5 to ensure that, again, your hair is being treated to make sure it's in the best condition possible, but also it's going to give you that volume, that weightless moisture, it's going to give you heat protection, and it's just really ideal for fine hair, limp hair, coarse frizzy hair, whatever you're needing to build that volume and control. So next in our styling products, we're going to talk about our matte. Our matte texturizing spray is a really great product because it's designed to give you that tousled, undone look. So it has a matte finish to it and it has a hold factor of a 1, so it's not going to be heavy or sticky or tacky or anything like that in your hair. It's also infused with provitamin B5 to make sure that you're still going to get that nourishing, moisturizing quality to it. I really like to use our matte when it comes to styling purposes because it also gives that hair a little bit extra grip to it, where sometimes hair doesn't hold bobby pins or doesn't hold shape in braids. So adding the matte to kind of finish that texture off is really, really helpful to give the hair a little bit more grip when it comes to styling it. So matte is a really great product to use. Next in our styling line, we're going to talk about our Shape hairspray. This is an amazing hairspray because unlike a lot of other hairsprays, it's actually infused with things like walnut and almond and vanilla to give you heavy moisturizing and also some nourishing. So not only is it going to give you medium hold and brushable styling ability and long-lasting style support, it's also going to prevent breakage and start repairing damaged ends and split ends. So you don't have to worry about brushing out your hair after you've used this hairspray and getting like all of those breakages on your lap afterwards. So this is a really great product. It's also high shine, and it's just gonna work to finish off any style to the best ability. The next product that works really well with our Shape Hairspray is going to be our Shine Reflective Spray. So this one is infused with sunflower oil and argan oil to nourish and shine your hair. A cool aspect about our Shine Spray is the fact that it's silicone free, so you don't have to worry about it breaking down any of the hold that you're using in your other products or your hairsprays. So the Shine Reflective Spray is a really great product. Also, it has that high-end dispensary system, so it really gives you a nice even application without having any heavy deposits of an oily based product or anything like that. So this is a really great product. We love our Shine. So next in our styling products that we have is our Clean Dry Shampoo. Our Clean Dry Shampoo is infused with cornstarch and tea tree and jojoba and rosemary. And so this is a really cool product because it really allows your clients to take their style throughout the week with them. It's going to remove any of that oil or buildup. It's also going to remove odor and just work to stimulate your scalp and make you fresh and clean. It does add a little bit of shine to your hair as well, and moisturizing with all of those wonderful botanicals in it as well. So that's a really great product, like I said, to take your client's style into the week with them. And last but definitely not least, we have our 2 jars here of Clay and Detail. So Clay and Detail are really unique products because they have some technology in their styling capabilities that really should be in everybody's styling kit and should be utilized on a daily basis. So our Detail, this is a really great medium hold working product that is designed to also have a semi-gloss finish and a brushable quality to it. So it holds that style retention for you, it gives you that bounce in your curl, and it stays nice and shiny. So even when you're working those styles, particularly when it comes to updos or bridal parties, you don't have to worry about losing your curl or getting a dull frizzy texture because you've brushed it so much. The Detail is infused with beeswax, carnauba wax, and sunflower oil. So this is a really cool product because that combination of the carnauba wax and the beeswax makes it a really soft product while also giving you some long-lasting style support. So that's a really great product and probably should be in everybody's styling kits. Last but definitely not least, we have our Clay. This is a really revolutionary product because it's part styling product and part dry shampoo. So it's going to be infused with things like kaolin clay, carnauba wax, and mineral oil. So it's designed to give you moisture and nourishing, a little bit more of a matte finish, but a really cool aspect about this is the carnauba wax. So carnauba wax actually has a much higher melting point than things like beeswax or glycerins or anything like that. So it works really well for people that have active lifestyles or people that need their product look to last all day long. Also because of that carnauba wax, it has a heat activated quality to it. So when you apply this root through end on maybe say day 2 dirty, day 3 dirty hair, it's gonna work as a styling aid and a dry shampoo for you. So it's gonna dry up all that oil, remove any buildup, and then it's gonna have a heat activated volume aspect to it, meaning that you can really just like bring your hair back to life if it's fallen flat or if it's getting dry. So Clay is a really amazing product that can totally enhance all of your styling capabilities and help your clients take that look throughout the week. So thank you so much for watching our video on our J Platinum line. If you have any questions about detailed product information or ingredients, please feel free to reach out to the corporate office and we can provide all of that information for you, okay? So from all of us here at J Beverly Hills, thank you for watching.